This is a new titanium ThruNite keyring, keychain item. Keep it on my keychain. I use it here at work. Titanium. Now this can clip your belt. I'll show this clip to my belt. But if you open this up, got yourself a little box cutter. Titanium frame. Hand tighten cable keyring. And I use it here at work. Opening up material. Cutting cardboard. Whatever I need to do. So I'll give you all the specs on it. Do a little demonstration for you. The weights, everything will be in the details down below. Being titanium is super light. There's the ThruNite logo. Personal keyring. On it you can see two items by ThruNite. You can see that one of their flashlights and their new keyring knife. I'm going to zoom in, show you this a little bit, talk about it, give you the specs, open it up, and then I'll show you how I use it at work. I also use it in the mountains and for fishing and everything else. Let me zoom in. So this is it. It's a keyring knife. It's titanium. It's got a titanium blade. It's got a semi-lock. I mean, you can hear it. You gotta put a little bit of pressure on it to close it. You got a little thing here. I'll tell you what I use this for in a minute. I'll give you the specs, give some real close-ups of it, show you how I use it at work. I also use it fishing and backpacking. It comes with this quite a few threads so it doesn't accidentally come off. And the pressure of the cable itself, wanting to straighten out, helps prevent it from unscrewing. It's got knurling on here. It's got knurling on there. Make it easier. It is a plastic coating over some wire. Now, here's how sharp it is. Now I'm not drawing that blade. I'm not drawing it. I'm just pushing. Look at that. Dimensions: 2.44 inches long, 0.58 ounces. It's a titanium alloy. Pretty nice. There'll be a link in the details if you want to check it out. Made by ThruNite. I've seen them with this now. They have this. They have a titanium whistle. They They have a titanium ballpoint pin. They're coming up with a bunch of new items. They're not just a light company anymore. One more look at it.